Magandang hapon po ng May 1, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 1, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, May 1, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 1, 2025, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, May 1, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 1, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.